In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an email address for you. And let me tell you first, what is email? Email is a digital method of exchanging messages, files and images between people over a network. And email could be from gmail.com, yahoo.com and outlook.com. And email consists a username and @ symbol and a domain name like Yahoo, Gmail or Outlook. So today in this video I'm going to use gmail.com. So let's start the process for creating an email address. So before doing that, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So for creating email address, I will use Gmail application. Okay, so let me go to this Gmail application, and after that you will see in here your profile icon if you already have a email account. Okay, but if you are new, if you're using new phone, that time the interface will be different. I will attach that screenshot in this video. Okay, so let me click here this profile icon and then click here add another account. But in new phone you will see add an email address. Okay, so let me click here add another email account, and after that there you can see three types of domain name, which is come from Google, Outlook, Hotmail and Yahoo. Okay, so I will use gmail.com for creating email address. So let me click here the first one, Google, and after that wait for a few seconds, then give here your phone password and then click here create account, this option. Then you can choose for my personal use, either for work or for business. Okay, so I will create my email address for my personal use. So let me click here for my personal use and then give here your first name and surname, but surname is optional. Okay, so let me click here and let me give here first name and surname. Okay, so after that let me click here next option, then choose your date of birth, month and year, and remember you will need to give your date of birth year above 18. Okay, either in some countries you couldn't create an email address. So let me choose here this date of birth and then choose gender and then click here next option. Then sometimes it will automatically suggested you some email address, but this time I need to create my email address. Okay, so let me create my name Ivan Abdullah, then add some number, and after that let me try here next option, and it's done. So let me give some password, and remember just mixing some letter, number and symbol so that your password could be strong. Okay, so let me give my password. So after giving password, let me click on next option and review your account. You can use this email address to sign in later. Okay, sometimes it will ask for your phone number and sometimes it will not ask. Okay, so let me click here next option, then scroll down, then click here I agree, and your email account already created. Let me go to this profile icon and wait for a few seconds. That in the bottom you can see there is my email account, which is Ivan Abdullah. Okay, so let me click on that one and again click here profile icon, then click here manage your Google account, then scroll down and then choose here personal information, just click on it and then add a recovery phone number, so that whenever you try to recover your password, that time you can get a OTP code. Okay, so just add here your phone number and your email account already created. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can create an email address. And remember this thing and don't misunderstand me, that email could be from Yahoo, Gmail and Outlook.com. So thank you so much for watching this video.